Downloading files. If you need access to any of your transcript or video files, log on to EGCR Connect portal using your private credentials. Click on the Repository tab on the toolbar. Use the Search By toolbar on the left to search for the files you're looking for. In this scenario, we are going to search by the witness name. I can type in only a portion of the witness's name. In this scenario, I am only typing in Benji, and then searching by clicking the blue button on the upper left. You will see all files pertaining to that witness will show up. Select the files you want to download, and then click the Download button on the upper right. Depending upon your PC's settings, your files will download to your PC's default folder set for downloads. If you select more than one file, they will all download as a zipped file. If you select one file at a time, they will download individually.